Hi sports fans. So now you know how to play G, you know how to play a C, and you know how to play a D. So you're ready to go to Nashville, right? Because of course we know G, C, D is all you have to know. Well, let's talk about adding a couple of little treats to that G, C, D. So if I'm playing a song and I'm going along and I'm playing G, oh, I don't know if you can tell, but I don't know it very well. Okay, so you're going G, C, right? G, C. But now it's kind of boring, right? So let's do this. Let's add the chromatic interplay from G to C. So you go G, and then you're up to C. So you go from G to C, right? So how do we do that? So now instead of going G, C, so now you can go G, bo, 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 C. And it sounds kind of cool. And then somebody says, hey, that person might know how to play the guitar. So you go G, and again, we use the 3 fingers on the bottom 3 strings here. It's classic finger style picking, right? So we use 1, 2, 3 on the 1, 2, 3, right, on the strings. And then on the top strings, we use 6, 5, 4. We use the thumb mostly on those 3 strings. So that's typically how you do the classic finger picking, right? Thumb on the top 3, rotating around, and 1, 2, 3 on the bottom or the top strings. I call them the bottom because they're on the bottom, but actually they're the highest strings, right? They're the top strings. So we go G with a B, so we're going to use that second finger. So B with a G, G with a B, right? So we're playing the G there on the 3rd fret, and then we're playing the B open, okay, together, G and B, so that's a 3rd, right? Gives you a nice harmony there. G and B, and then we're going to go to the A, okay? So the A is the open string, right? 5th string, A, and we're going to use the C down here, that first fret, 2nd string, right? Again, we're still using the 2nd finger here. So what are we doing? We're going like that, and then we're going like that. So the thumb is playing both of those bass notes, right? The thumb goes up to the next string, but the 2nd finger is playing both of those treble notes. Okay, so we got G, A and C, G, A and C, A and C, G, A and C. Now we're going to go and we're going to take that 1st finger and we're going to bring it up here. We're going to jump up to that 1st fret, 5th string, which is, of course, that's A, right? So A up a half step would be B flat. And we're going to do this. We're going to play A with the C, and then B flat, and then B flat with the, okay, what is it, friends? What's that note? What's that note? It's a C sharp, right? Or a D flat, same thing, right? So we go C, C sharp, C, D flat, same thing, right? So B flat and D flat together. Now you have a choice. You can play with your pinky there, or you can play with your 3rd finger if you want. Let's see, what do I do? I play it with the pinky because I like to get that pinky involved. So G, A and C, B flat, D flat, and guess what? The next one, you just slide it up a fret. Okay, so really what you're doing, guess what? That 2nd finger is doing all the work on the treble, because really all you're doing is a chromatic upload from the B, which is in the G chord, to the D, which is in the G chord, right? So it's B, C, C sharp, D. That's what we're doing. Or it's G, A sharp, B, or B flat, B, right? So what we're doing is we're playing a major third, G to B, and then all the rest of them are minor thirds. A to C, B flat to D flat, B to D. And then the next thing we do is we go to the C chord, which of course is kind of doing a little swap there, right? So you're going to go and play your regular C chord. So you're going to go, and that's a nice little way to go from G to C. So give it a shot, try it out, and then we'll go from C to F, and we'll do the same kind of thing there. But I don't want to wear you out, so have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Whoops. Okay, take two. Okay, take three. Okay, let's do that again. Take four. No, not too good, but you get the idea. See you next time.